Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Epic Games Launcher on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Epic Games Launcher on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Epic Games, since that's where we will download the app, so just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And once you're here on the website, I want you to look at the top right corner and then you will see the download button for the app right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, your Epic Games installer file will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to click this install button to start the installation progress of the app. And then the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you will now have your Epic Games Launcher app, so just log in or create your Epic Games account on this login page. In my case, I already have an account, so I will just log it in right here. And after logging in your account, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have the access to the Epic Games Launcher app just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.